Hello everyone, so today I'll explain you how to fix overheating issues on your Realme C67. Follow the simple steps and your phone will be as good as new. So first of all, let's open up our settings. Now let's scroll down to our About Phone tab. And here we can see our processor information and our RAM information. So check your CPU usage to ensure no apps are consuming excessive resources. Alright, now let's go back in our settings and choose our apps tab. Here it is. So here go through recent apps and decide which apps are working in the background and which you don't currently need. So for example, you can choose any application which is consuming too much background power, right, and simply press force stop or uninstall it, just like this. Alright, the next thing what we can do to stop our overheating is to enable power saving mode. So in your settings, go back, find your battery section, here it is, and here you are simply to press battery saver and enable your use battery saver. With this mode, your phone will reduce processor load. The next good thing to do is to lower the screen brightness. So let's go back to our display. Here it is. In your display, you can adjust your screen brightness. So simply make it lower and our processor will be not as concerning. However, I'll keep it just for the video. I'll keep it on this mode because otherwise it will be a bad shot. Alright, so the next good thing to do is to check whether your phone is updated to the latest version, because updates often include crucial fixes. So go back to your settings, find your About Phone tab, and in your About Phone tab, tap on Realme UI. So if you get any update, it will be right here. Simply press update and update your phone. So last but not least, let's talk about usage conditions. Avoid using your phone in hot environments or in direct sunlight, and remove the phone case during heavy usage or charging it to allow your phone to breathe a bit. So if your phone continues to overheat, you can perform full restart to clear memory and unnecessary processes. So simply press your power button, it's right here on the right side of your screen, and your volume up button until you'll summon your power off menu and simply press restart. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.